this is one of 3 Whiteboard Wednesdays talking about how content is king and how you can use content to really grow your agency and attract, convert and sell the best homes in your area. And first I want to introduce you to this scale, which is called prediction marketing. And this is what content can do for you. So when you advertise, you tend to advertise over this end of the scale. So this is when somebody's just moved into the house and the house fits them. So let's just talk about an aspiring family just for the sake of this prediction marketing model. When they first moved into a house, the house fits them, they're very happy with the house, and that can last for 1, 2, 5, even 10 years. The next phase is wondering about what would happen if they maybe put an extension or a loft conversion or a home office in the garden. So they're starting to feel a bit squeezed in the house and they're wondering what they can do to make the house fit them better. Phase 3 is the consideration phase, and this is a kind of, well, what if we did move? What would that look like? How much money would we have to put to that move, and where would we choose to move? Once they've decided to move, they move into the planning phase, and this could be quite a short phase, maybe just 2 or 3 months, where they're out looking at properties, looking at schools, driving past for sale boards. And then they commit to actually putting their house on the market and choosing the right estate agent. Now, most agency content is over here, and this could be 10 years altogether. So what content allows you to do is it allows you to talk to them when they're still in the status quo phase. And what happens is you can be top of mind while they're going through all these phases. So when they get to this phase, you're actually their choice of agent. So top of mind before they sell, choice of agent when they sell. And that's what prediction marketing can do for you. So it might be that you're advertising, you're sending out leaflets, you're sending out touting letters. That is all over here. Nobody's doing this bit here. Now we have a fantastic service called Firewave where we produce content for you at all stages of this journey. And if you want to talk to us more about that, we'll put a link to the application form in the notes for this Whiteboard Wednesday video. So if you're not already creating content for all these different parts of the seller's journey, then you need to be. And if you don't want to do it, we'll do it for you. So let us know. If you're not connected with me on any of these places, Facebook and YouTube is Marketing Magic, LinkedIn is Sam Ashdown, and of course my website, samashdown.co.uk, where I talk to you about these topics and much more in a lot of depth. So see you there. Bye for now.